Hey, it's lunchtime and I'm going home to make a turkey club. It's gonna be delicious! This part's super important. You got to put this stuff in the right order or the bread will get soggy. So cheese first, then the meat, then on the opposite side I put the bacon down, then I put the lettuce on top of the bacon so that the lettuce doesn't get the bread wet, and then I put the tomatoes on the inside so they don't get the bread wet, and bang, you're done. Now that was a sandwich. Freaking awesome!